Do you want to know how you can add link on threads? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your link or your business link on threads. Go ahead and open Threads, which is on your phone. Go to your profile, which is on the bottom right hand corner, and then tap on Edit Profile. You can see link over here. If you click on this box over here and go ahead and write down your link, let's suppose I want to give my link over here. I'll write my link and then I will click on the tick mark over here. After I click it and go back, you can notice that if you reload your page, your link will be added to your threads. So it's quite simple, guys. All you need to do is tap on your profile, go to Edit Profile, go to Link and write down your link. After you write down your link, go ahead and click on the tick mark button and then your link will be added. After you're done, click on Done and in a while scroll it and then you can see the link has been added. I hope this video about how you can link or add link of your business on threads was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.